Hi, this is Adam from Sideways 8, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the more advanced use of the Gravity Forms WordPress plugin. So to start with, I'm going to go to the dashboard of my website, and I'm going to click on Forms, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new form. I'll call this an advanced form. Alright, and now I'm here editing my form. So let's say that we want to have a questionnaire and we want someone to be able to kind of select responses. So let's start maybe with a checkbox. So we'll say here at the top, do you like this form? Question mark. First choice is yes. Second choice is no. And third choice is either I don't know, or let's just eliminate the third choice altogether. Okay, so let's say, so we've created a first checkbox. So then maybe we want to add an additional option for them to elaborate on their answer if they don't like this form. So we would create something, maybe we'd say please elaborate. And then let's go into advanced and we can make this conditional based on whether or not they checked yes or no. So we'll say enable conditional logic, and we're going to show this field if all of the following is true or is matched. So the match we're going to use is, do you like this form? If it is yes, okay, we don't want to show the form in that case because they like it. So we want to make it if it's no. So then we update the form. And now if someone clicks yes, then this field, this please elaborate section will not show up. But if they click no, then this please elaborate section will then show up. And you can do this type of logic with all kinds of different things. You can use them with radio buttons. You can do, all kinds of stuff. Another really nice thing that you can do with Gravity Forms is you can create page breaks. So let's build this out just a little bit further. Do you like this form? If they say no, we're going to please elaborate. And then let's add maybe some radio buttons. And let's see. Let's decide on a question we can ask here. Are you having a nice day? So they can say yes, they can say no, they can say maybe, and then let's add another one by checking the plus button there. We can say I don't want to share that information. Okay, they're being particularly difficult that day. So then let's go ahead and close that. And with that in mind, let's update our form. Let's drop it onto a page and let's just see where we're at for a moment here. So I've got our form here. I'm going to go ahead and toggle over to pages. And let's say we're going to put this on a staff page for some reason, no real reason in particular. Let's add the form. Let's put in our advanced form and insert. Let's click update. And I'm going to go ahead and open this page in another tab so that on this tab I can go back to editing my form, and then on the other one we'll be able to see what it is that we're editing. So here's the form right here. Do you like this form? And then are you having a nice day? Now you notice it does not have the other section about elaborating. So if I click yes, then we can keep on going and we can click no. But if I click no, then it says, oh, please elaborate. Okay, so that's that conditional logic at work there. So you can see that it works really well. And then I can click no. Now let's say that we're going to have a particularly long form. Let's say we've added 15 entries. It's just going to be very long. So we can also add a page break to our form. Okay, so begin from the starting of the page, top of the first page. Okay, it adds a page break there. And then look, there's the end of the first page, and then there's the end of the last page right there. So the next thing we want to do is let's say, okay, well, let's add in some fields. So input what you want here, and then maybe let's add in some more advanced fields. Let's do a name and a phone number and a website and an email and an address there. Okay, and then let's get down here and, well, let's make it another page. So let's do another page break. All right, so we added another page break, and then maybe we want to add some other checkboxes here and perhaps some more radio buttons and a drop-down menu. So I'm just going to leave those all default right now, and let's update the form. Let's go over here to the staff page and let's refresh our page. And now you'll see we've got step 1 of 3, so it's letting the user know that there's 3 pages to this form, and they're 33% complete when they finish this page. Our conditional logic still works great. I can fill out whatever I'd like here, hit next, and then it takes me over here. We'll fill out all that information, hit next. It takes me to the next form, fill out that information, and then I can hit submit. So one other thing that you may want to consider when you are creating a form on a WordPress site is you may consider doing a CAPTCHA setting. Under the advanced fields, you've got CAPTCHA. And what that does is it kind of allows you to make sure that no spam entries get put in. So you would need to sign up for a free account, and then you'd go into the settings page and you'd enter your CAPTCHA key into that settings page, which is extremely easy to do. So you shouldn't have any trouble with that. With that said, that's the end of this tutorial. Have fun playing around with Gravity Forms Advanced Settings, and I look forward to the next one. Thanks.